very, very special film. I think every time we work with somebody new, and I think that really for Excel is something that's very, very special. That for the last couple of years we've been working with new talent. Last year we had a couple of films with new directors, and this year of course there's Vijay, who's made a fantastic film. Shankar Ehsaan Loy, who failed to let anybody down, much less us. So thank you very much again for the spectacular music. Bala, thank you for the wonderful lyrics.
Excel Entertainment is working with new directors and new talent. This movie is really special for us because when Vijay narrated to us, we were really excited about the script and the path that we're going to take in the music.
Pleasure working with Mr. Vijay Lalwani. He's a bully and he has troubled me so much I can't tell you. But the only consolation I have that ultimately he definitely made me work better than perhaps I would have, and for that I must thank him.
A great response towards whatever people have seen, the promos and the songs and everything. Vijay is very good at creating beautiful moments in the film. When you see the film, you know what I'm talking about. So I think it's really the moments in the film that really define the chemistry of two characters.
I think it would only be fair that you'll come and see the film, क्योंकि जो mystery है इस film में of Karthik receiving a call from himself is something that अगर आप film नहीं देखेंगे और अगर मैं आपको बता दूँ तो मज़ा बिल्कुल आपको नहीं आएगा जब आप film देखेंगे.
My character's name is Shonali, and I think she's a lot like the girl of today. She's confident, she's independent, she works, she earns. She's looking to be in a stable, committed relationship. I think it was completely worth it. I'm really glad that I did because I'm loving the look and I think people are liking the look now. It's a romantic thriller. I think it's a genre that's not attempted very often. I think right now a hot favorite for me is Uff Teri Ada, and I think that's what the audiences are enjoying as well.
मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है जब हम ये एल्बम बना रहे थे तो हमें ऐसा भी लग रहा था कि जो गाने हैं वो काफ़ी पॉपुलर गाने हैं जो एक एक कमर्शियल फिल्म के लिए ज़रूरी होती हैं. मेरा ये मानना है कि शंकर एहसान लॉय बहुत ही टैलेंटेड हैं और उन्होंने जब भी किसी के साथ भी काम किया है तो अगर उन्होंने मेरे साथ काम किया है they've given me good music. उनकी एक खासियत है कि वो बिल्कुल समझ जाते हैं कि डायरेक्टर की पर्सनालिटी क्या है, डायरेक्टर के प्रेफरेंसेस क्या है म्यूजिकली, and very easily they start composing for what they know that the director will appreciate.
Farhan, because he's been a director and a producer, he understands the cinematic language very, very well. He's a producer as well. He understands from my side of the thing. So he will actually give it his best. This character is very different from what she's played before. She's a young, fun, bubbly character who's outgoing and glamorous and really funny. I knew that she'd be a little more feisty and fun. So I thought even her hair would be like that. And I wanted to present an absolutely new avatar from the other films. The character, I used personal experiences and from friends and from people I know to define Karthik's character. But the whole life, what happens in his life, is completely imaginary, and that's where I put imagination into it.
Some of the best music that we have done is Farhan के साथ ही किया है.
एक दो गाने which are like really befitting the script, like songs like the title song. But in a film like this, the background scores really which will give you that feeling of what's the thriller.
Well, I'm very happy and thanks to the guys.
I would like Uff Teri Ada, the dance song.